Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Glance LED error code E999. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to use the device but then the device freezes, throws the code E999, and reboots. As per the official information, this is an unknown error. But our research also suggests this error may be related to the fantasy scripts. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if the issue is related to the fantasy scripts and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then we suggest you reach out to the customer support team. You can go to the official website and find the contact details at the contact page. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.